Hi, you're much welcome to your favorite Cryptos for You. Today's topic is Elephant Money Futures Changes Explained. I have seen some confusion in the Elephant Money community surrounding the recent changes to Elephant Money Futures. This article attempts to clarify what the changes are and how futures now works. What we will cover: the move from BUST to BNB, functionality of the new BNB reserve, long-term sustainability of futures incorporating a variable rate fail-safe, transition from BUST to BNB. As of the December 24, 2023, Elephant Money Futures no longer operates using the BUST stablecoin. All transactions will now be completed using BNB. When you want to deposit, you will need to deposit a minimum of $200 worth of BNB, and when you claim, the USD amount available will be sent to your wallet for the equivalent amount of BNB at the time of the transaction. I have seen many people concerned that this means futures becomes volatile and less predictable. This is not the case. Futures is still a predictable source of cash flow, paying 0.5% daily against USD. BNB is simply the transactional token for futures. All accounting is still based on USD. Your futures balance does not fluctuate with the price of BNB. Example: if you have $1,000 in your available rewards and you want to claim, if the current price of BNB is $250, the system will send 4 BNB, $1,000, to your wallet. If, however, the current price of BNB is $400, the system will send 2.5 BNB, $1,000, to your wallet. It is then up to you whether you want to swap your BNB for a stablecoin, BTCB, ED, Elephant, or anything of your choosing. When depositing, you will need $200 worth of BNB. The dev bank teller has included a button on the DApp that calculates exactly how much BNB you require. Super easy. Futures Deposit Dashboard. Introduction of the BNB Reserve. In order to make the change to BNB, a new BNB Reserve was introduced. This BNB Reserve replaces the BUST Buffer Pool and BUST Treasury. Here's a breakdown of how the BNB Reserve functions. The BNB Reserve's role is to pay out the day-to-day claims made by participants of futures. However, if a claim is more than 1% of the value of the BNB Reserve, the Elephant Treasury steps in to pay the claim. More on this later. BNB Reserve income. The BNB Reserve grows from the following sources: 1. 10% of all futures deposits. 2. 1% APR paid from the Elephant Treasury. 3. Top-off strategy from large futures claims paid by the Elephant Treasury. When you deposit into futures, 90% is used to immediately buy Elephant token from the market. These tokens are then sent to the Elephant Treasury to grow over time. The remaining 10% is sent to the BNB Reserve. The Elephant Treasury pays a 1% APR, 0.0027% daily, which is used to further fund the BNB Reserve. This happens via the sweep button on the futures dashboard. Any claim that is greater than 1% of the value of the BNB Reserve is handled by the Elephant Treasury. The Elephant Treasury sells off 10% more than is required to pay the claim. The surplus is used to top off the BNB Reserve. Example: if someone was to claim $20K from futures, the Elephant Treasury would sell $22K worth of Elephant, 10% more than claim value. The surplus $2K is then sent to the BNB Reserve. 1% APR from Elephant Treasury in the sweep function. Futures sustainability. With bank tellers' intention to renounce access to all M contracts in the coming months, it was important that safeguards were put in place to ensure that no single product could jeopardize the overall health of the Elephant Money ecosystem. While every effort has been made to ensure futures is a sustainable product, it would be completely irresponsible to renounce the contracts without some safeguards to prevent the liabilities from getting out of control if something unforeseen were to happen. Like a flash crash in BNB, for example. As a result, with the introduction of the BNB Reserve, BD has implemented a rate scaling mechanism that kicks into gear if, and only if, it is needed. Better to have it and not need it than not have it. Here's how it works. So long as the value of the BNB Reserve is greater than the daily liabilities, futures will continue to pay 0.5% daily. Existing rate limiters still apply for individual compound/withdrawal behavior. Reserve value is greater than daily liabilities equals 0.5% daily. What happens if the reserve value drops below the daily liabilities? Considering the BNB reserve inflows we discussed earlier, along with the fact that any futures claims reduce DVL, it is unlikely the variable rate will be needed, and if it is likely to be temporary. However, if the BNB reserve value drops below the daily liabilities figure, the futures daily rate will scale accordingly. The formula for this is as follows. BNB reserves/daily liabilities, x futures base rate, 0.5%. Example, BNB reserve equal $100K, daily liabilities equal $150K, 100 by 150 equals 0.660, multiplied by 0 equals 0.33. If the figures above were true, futures would pay 0.33% per day. In summary, Elephant Money Futures has recently undergone significant changes, transitioning from BUSD to BNB as its primary transactional token. This shift aims to enhance efficiency and maintain predictability, with all accounting still rooted in USD. The introduction of the BNB reserve replaces previous BUSD structures, providing a mechanism to cover daily claims and sustain long-term stability. To address potential uncertainties, a rate scaling feature has been implemented, adjusting the daily payout based on the relationship between the BNB reserve and daily liabilities. Despite these adjustments, Elephant Money Futures remains a dependable source of cash flow, paying out 0.5% daily against USD, with safeguards in place to ensure the overall health of the Elephant Money ecosystem. Nothing in this video is intended to constitute investment advice. We take no responsibility or liability for any investments, profits or losses you may incur as a result of this information. Readers are encouraged to perform their own due diligence and research, or consult a licensed financial advisor or broker before making any and all investment decisions. This content is intended for general informational and educational purposes only. Though the author strives for accuracy, the data contained within the article cannot be relied upon. The author may own cryptocurrencies and tokens discussed in the article. The article may contain affiliate links. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your support and feedback. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Until next time, be safe and keep smiling.